Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the elements participate in stacking. Give the element position, relative or absolute so z-index can apply. Once done, assign an explicit z-index value. Use 0 as a baseline and positive or negative integers to move it up or down. Make sure to inspect parent elements. Position parents or certain properties create new stacking contexts that lock child ordering. If you miss that, your z-index changes won't appear to work even though you've set them correctly. Now refine overlapping behaviors. Within the same stacking context, larger z-index values render on top of smaller ones, so pick numbers that reflect the intended visual hierarchy. Remember that CSS properties like transform, opacity less than 1, filter, and mix blend mode implicitly create new stacking contexts. Once a new context exists, child z-index is local to it. To debug, temporarily add outlines or background colors to suspected elements. Finish by resolving conflicts. Simplify by removing redundant stacking contexts or moving the element out of a position parent so its z-index works globally. Once done, pick a clear numeric scheme, low values for background layers, higher for overlays, and avoid arbitrarily large numbers. Test across viewports and browsers to ensure consistency. If things go wrong, toggle position, transform, or opacity on elements while observing outlines. This isolates which property creates the blocking stacking context and lets you correct it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.